Here's problem 14 from the 2014 AMC 8. Rectangle ABCD and right triangle DCE have the same area, and they are joined alongside DC to form a trapezoid. The rectangle has side AD equal to 6 and height equal to 5. So the shared side DC is 5 and the right angle of the triangle is at C. What is DE? The hypotenuse of the triangle? The choices are 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's draw the picture. On the left is rectangle ABCD, with the top side AD equal to 6 and the height equal to 5. On the right, sharing the vertical side DC, is the right triangle DCE, with its right angle at C. First, the area of the rectangle. It is the length times the height, which is 6 times 5, and that equals 30. The triangle has the same area, 30. Its area is 1/2 times the base times the height. The two legs are DC, which is 5, and CE along the bottom. So 1/2 times 5 times CE equals 30. That means 5 times CE is 60. So CE equals 12. Now we can find DE. It is the hypotenuse of a right triangle whose legs are 5 and 12. By the Pythagorean theorem, DE is the square root of 5 squared plus 12 squared, which is the square root of 25 plus 144, the square root of 169, and that equals 13. So DE is 13. The answer is 13, choice B.